Today we are going to make Uyghur style kebab burger. As I mentioned before, lamb is the main ingredient in the Uyghur cuisine and it's used in lots of kawap sorts. Kawap means kebab. Traditionally, we make kebab in the tandoor. Tandoor is outside clay oven with a big opening on the top, and we put kebab in the tandoor and sometimes on the barbecue grill. And today we are going to make kawap burger patties in the oven. It's actually so easy recipe. You need only few ingredients and we are going to make this delicious burger with handmade these cute buns. You can find the recipe on this cute buns very soon on the channel. You can of course use supermarket buns, but it's so different from this one. So go back next time to find the recipe on this. And for the patties, we are going to use minced lamb. And I'm going to add 1 egg, 2 teaspoons oil, finely chopped onion, salt, white pepper, sweet chili pepper powder, cumin, some chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of white flour. We are going to make patties now, but for the best result and for the better taste, you can let it rest for about 3 hours and then make patties. Now I'm going to take out my baking tray and preheat the oven. I have a combi oven, so I'm going to use the grill setting and use the biggest grill setting, highest grill setting, and let it preheat it for about 10 minutes. Now we are going to make patties on parchment paper on the baking tray. So when we are finished with it, we are going to put it right away in hot oven. So this is recipe for 4 burgers, so I'm going to divide it in 4 even pieces. Press it between your palm, roll it, press it, put it on a baking tray and press it very gentle. We are going to grill it. Use the biggest grill and each side grill for about 12 minutes. So totally almost 25 minutes. While the patties are grilling, we are going to prepare the burgers. I'm going to slice it from the middle. Look at this. Place the lettuce on the bottom. They look gorgeous. I have a lemon chili sauce and I'm going to use a little bit for the thinly sliced onion. You can find the recipe on lemon chili sauce on YouTube channel and also on the blog. And if you don't have time to make this recipe, you can just skip it. use fresh onions and slice it in like this, ring sizes. It's already so good. Place tomato. It's ready! Look at this! It smells kebab! I'm going to place it on the top of the tomato. Shashlik sauce. You can also use garlic sauce. Looks so delicious. Yum yum yum. Can't wait to eat all of them. The last one, I'm going to tip it with garlic sauce. And again, tomato. They are done! This is the first time that I made burgers and kebab burgers. I'm so happy with the result. It smells like kebab. I hope you like this recipe. I really appreciate it. If you like this recipe, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends and family. Like the video. Thank you again and see you next week. Bye!